Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Colab workspace with Python notebooks, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Colab's website. In the search bar, type Google Colab and press enter. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. You may need to sign in with your Google account if you are not already logged in. Once you are on the Google Colab homepage, click on the New Notebook button. A new blank notebook will open where you can start writing your Python code. You can rename your notebook by clicking on the title at the top, which usually says Untitled 0. Type in your desired name and press enter to save it. To write your first piece of code, click on the code cell labeled Code. You can type Python commands directly into this cell. To run your code, press Shift and Enter at the same time. The cell will execute, and the output will appear directly below it. If you need to add more code cells, simply click on the plus code button. You can also add text cells by clicking on plus text. This allows you to document your code or add explanations as you go. Google Colab supports multiple libraries, so you can import them as needed. To import a library, just type the import command in a code cell and run it. If you want to save your notebook, go to the File menu and select Save a Copy in Drive. This will store your notebook in Google Drive for easy access later. You can also share your notebook with others by clicking on the Share button. Set the appropriate permissions for collaborators before sharing. Google Colab also allows you to upload files to your workspace for data analysis. To upload a file, use the File Upload option in the left sidebar. Now you are ready to start working on your Python projects in Google Colab. Feel free to explore the various features and tools available in this powerful platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.